Well, let's hear it.
What?
What just happened?
We're in Canada.
Well, which part of Canada?
Montreal.
And what are we doing here?
We're in a layover. Why are you so close to me? Jesus. We are gate A. All right, whatever. I have to pee, so. Cheers. 870, 2105, gate 66. Now we can look back at that in case we forget where we have to go.
This is our first exquisite date in Montreal.
Our first and only date in Montreal.
No, it's not going to be the only date. What are you talking about? I like Montreal. Walk on the river, St. Lawrence. But right now we're bird watching, mechanical bird watching. That's what we're doing. How's your chicken Caesar wrap?
Not bad. Not worth the money, but you know.
We also got this beautiful salad with some chicken. I think it's a balsamic dressing there. It's been 4 hours, still in Montreal airport. Just went to go find some water. Well, Haley's been waiting at this very nice spot that we found. Finally, huh? Big old jet.
I'll let you go first. It's a good landing.
It was a good landing. So where are we now?
France. It's very dark, you can't see anything.
Alright, we made it to Paris. Just got the baggage. Haley, first impressions of the bathrooms here?
It's terrible.
Now we gotta find a train to take us into Paris. I believe we're going on the RERB. That's all I know.
Tired. Tired. Yeah,
RERB. Does it mean go down? Or does it mean to go that way?
I think down.
It doesn't feel like Paris yet?
No, we're at an airport. It's like desolate around.
Are those our bus tickets?
Those are our bus tickets.
Alright, here's the deal. The RERB that we're planning to take, which is the train into Paris,
Run on Sundays.
is closed. Yes. So now we have to take the bus, which totally puts a... Well, I wasn't prepared for that, so... Actually, I think this will be better because I think we can see more with the bus. Yeah.
Okay, can I follow you?
Yeah. Well, I was hoping I'd follow you.
Okay, cool. I'm in the wrong spot. It's okay.
Yeah, hop in.
It seems better than like this.
I know, I'm sorry.
Not record me right now talking.
We had a rough time on the train. We're packed like sardines. Every stop that got closer.
Armpit was in my face.
Yeah, there's somebody had their armpit in the face. Every stop that came closer to the city center, more people packed on, getting worse and worse. And then we eventually entered the tunnel, so it went all black. Now we took some weird elevator up. That's literally hole in the wall.
Now we're in Paris. That's actually beautiful right there. I will. And there's Euros. We like Euros.
Let's go find a hotel, yeah?
Yes, please.
Look, range. All right, 10 blocks of walk and we find our hotel.
You need $10 of beautiful walking though.
There she is. I've been lugging this huge. They made me change it out, my father and my girlfriend. They made me take this big one. I have to lug it around Paris for 10 blocks on this cobblestone. Makes the loudest noise. made it to the hotel. Elevator, that is. The hotel elevator.
Right, we're dirty. We're hungry.
So we made it into our room after climbing a series of spiral staircases. After taking the elevator, it's fairly small. But the view, well, that's something. Showered, clean, made it out. Now we're on the block. Where should we go?
Get some tea and some coffee for you.
Yeah, which way though?
That way.
This way? The best plan is no plan. What'd you say to me?
I said, damn, whose boyfriend is that? Wi-Fi, and you can see at least like our room and then
the past 2 years but also like
I think it'll live up to Starbucks.
This is the first Parisian bathroom I've been in outside of the hotel. Hey.
Hey.
How's your chai? All done, eh?
It's all gone. Wow. I thought your mouth was still open.
This is magnificent. I mean, obviously, it's Notre Dame Cathedral. This is way bigger in person
It really
than
is.
what it probably seems.
It's probably even bigger inside, but too bad we can't go in.